How many leads have you lost today because of your confusing IVR? It's time to switch. Meet our next-level contact center solution, built on Amazon Connect. So, you can transform the way you connect with your customers. With 30+ features, you get everything you need to run a smarter, faster, and more connected contact center. Together, these features give you complete control, from prediction to performance, all in one intelligent platform. Whatever your industry, BPO, e-commerce, healthcare, sales and marketing, education, our contact center solution adapts to your needs. And here's the best part, you only pay for what you use. So, why lose another customer to long wait times when AI can handle every call, every time? Smarter, simpler, and more cost-effective contact center solution.